Good morning, dear hearts. We are on lesson 122 now, and please subscribe. As I said yesterday, this would be another lesson about forgiveness, and the lesson is forgiveness offers everything I want. There's a repetitive phrase, although it only really is repeated a couple times, but alluded to another time. And the repetitive phrase is, here's the answer. Forgiveness offers everything I want. Here is the answer. And the first two paragraphs, and this is a lovely lesson, certainly worth your time to read it. But the lesson starts out by asking the question, what could you want forgiveness cannot give? Do you want happiness, a quiet mind, certainty of purpose, a sense of worth and beauty that transcends the world? Here's the answer. Forgiveness offers everything you want. Do you want care and safety and the warmth of sure protection always? Do you want a quietness that cannot be disturbed, a gentleness that never can be hurt, a deep abiding comfort, and a rest so perfect it can never be upset? Here is the answer. Forgiveness offers everything I want. This lesson is, obviously in a continuation, and it's telling us that the value of forgiveness it really can't be given a total value because it is invaluable to us. This is how the veils that hide the face of Christ from us, this is how they will be lifted. The veils will be lifted through forgiveness. There is nothing we could ever want that is not offered us through forgiveness. Now remember, salvation and forgiveness are synonymous. So part of this lesson goes back into speaking of God's plan for salvation. And we know that we have a part to play in that. And our part to play in the plan for salvation for the entire world is our forgiveness. We must practice our forgiveness. We must extend our forgiveness because as we give it, we will receive it. So as we receive it, we will give it. It's circular. Every time we extend forgiveness, we receive it back and in greater quantity than it was given. And here is the answer to every complexity that we have experienced in this world. This is a fragile world. This is a world that needs to be cleansed because there are, it says cobwebs will disappear between the power and the majesty of this extremely simple statement of the truth that forgiveness offers everything I want. I want to have all of my dreams, all of my illusions lifted. I want to see the happy world to take the place of the hell that I have made. I want tranquility. I want a deep abiding peace. I want to be able to be undisturbed and have this deep happiness that I may offer to others. This is a gift that God is giving us. This is one of the many gifts of God. He gives us forgiveness because it is not natural in the kingdom. It is not needed in the kingdom. But once there was the need for it, God gave it to the Holy Spirit to teach us and give it to us. So we receive the idea of forgiveness, the gift of forgiveness, that we may apply it as a balm over this world, that it may now transform into the happy world, into the space that we want to experience, that it is all that we could ever want, and it will illuminate this world with the light of purity and innocence because forgiveness has wiped clean every mistaken thought, every error, every perceived grievance and judgment. Forgiveness will do all of that if I will receive it. But it offers me It offers me everything I want. And it also refers to, yesterday about the happiness, forgiveness is the key to happiness. And the key is referred to again today, that this is the key that we will apply so that we walk across that bridge, that we go back to our home, that we will see another world arise. It will be heaven, and we will see ourselves there. This is going to be an experience that will come without words. It will not be able to be described, but it is an experience that we will have. And once we have this experience, we don't go back. The practicing is it's 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening, and every 15 minutes of every hour, we are to remember that forgiveness offers everything we want, and to say these lines: forgiveness offers everything I want. Today I have accepted this as true. Today I received the gift of God. Forgiveness lights the way to God for us. And that's it for today. So I hope this helped. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please comment, please pray. And my divine self acknowledges and salutes yours. Namaste.